Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. Let's take a look at these Grip Puppies today. I have used many different types of handlebar grips over the years, but these handlebar grips, they really do feel premium. They are soft to touch, they have a good material. Let's take a look at all the things you should keep handy before you install these handlebar grips. These handlebar grips are hands down the best ones I have ever used. They really do feel premium. I can even feel that the vibrations are much lesser than earlier because the Dominar, as everyone knows, the initial versions, they had some buzz in the handlebars and the tank, but after installing these grips, the vibrations seem to be quite lesser and the ride is much more pleasant now. If you're in the market and if you're looking to install or buy some handlebar grips, I would highly recommend these. They might be a bit on the expensive side, but they are really worth it. Do try this out.